Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Mazda CX-9 key fob. First, locate the small release button, usually on the side of the fob. Press this button firmly and then pull out the emergency key blade. This action will reveal a small slot or indentation where the key blade was housed. This slot is crucial for the next step, as it provides the perfect leverage point to begin separating the two halves of the key fob casing. It's a simple first step to access the internal components. Now that the emergency key is removed, take a small, flathead screwdriver or a plastic prying tool. Insert the tip into the slot you just revealed. With a gentle twisting motion, you should hear a slight click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Work your way carefully around the entire seam of the fob, applying consistent, gentle pressure. This ensures you don't damage the plastic casing or any internal components while fully separating the two halves. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the small coin cell battery. Most Mazda CX-9 key fobs use a CR2032 battery. Take note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up, usually the positive side. Use a small, non-metallic tool or your fingernail to gently pry the old battery out of its holder. Then, carefully insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper function. To reassemble your key fob, simply align the two halves of the casing. Make sure all the internal components, like the circuit board and buttons, are properly seated. Then, press the two halves firmly together until you hear them click securely into place. Finally, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks. Your key fob should now be fully functional with its new battery. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money and other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.